Dear friends, in this video lecture, we are going to learn Prim's algorithm. Prim's algorithm is used to find the minimum spanning tree in a connected weighted graph. Mainly three steps involved in Prim's algorithm. Step 1. First, select any two adjacent vertices with minimum weight. Step 2. Select the next unvisited vertex which is adjacent to the visited vertices with minimum weight. Step 3. Repeat the step 2 until all the vertices are covered. The question is, use Prim's algorithm to find a minimum spanning tree in the graph. The graph is given and the weights are given. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, and the weights are given as below. Now we are going to find a minimum spanning tree. Okay, the solution is, first we need to choose two adjacent vertices whose weight is minimum. So we have BF, the weight is 1. Similarly, we have CD, the weight is 1. So you can choose anything, but I choose BF. So I choose B and F. The weight is 1. So from BF, either you can go to A, the weight is 2, to C, the weight is 3, or you can go to G, weight is 3, and to E, the weight is 4, or you can go to J, the weight is 2. So the least weight is 2 here and 2 here. You can either choose this or choose this. So I choose go to A. The weight is 2. So now we have A, B and F. So now from here you can either go to G or C or E or the minimum weight is going to J with weight 2. So I choose J with weight 2. Now we have from J to I with weight 3, J to K with weight 3, and A to E with weight 3, or B to C with weight 3. So you can choose anything. So I choose A to E with weight 3. So now we can go from J to I or J to K or F to G or B to C. All are the same weight with 3. So I choose J to I with weight 3. Now we can either go to C, the weight is 3, or from F to G or from J to K, all are same weight. So I choose F to G with weight 3. Now from G we can go to C or H or K, but the minimum weight is 2 from G to C. So I choose C. The minimum weight is 2. From C you can go to D. You cannot go to B because it will form a cycle. In a minimum spanning tree, cycle is not allowed. So I choose D. The weight is 1. So now from G you can go to H, or from D you can go to H. The minimum weight is from G to H. So I choose G to H. The weight is 3. Then from H you can go to L, or you can from G you can go to K, but the minimum weight is from J to L. the weight is 3. Next, to reach K, either you can go from G to K or from J to K or from L to K, but the minimum weight is L to K, the weight is just 1. So I choose this one. Now let's count the weight. 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 and plus 1. The count is 24. Now this is the required minimum spanning tree, because look at the tree, all the vertices are covered: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, and the weight is also minimum. So this is the required minimum spanning tree using Prim's algorithm. Thank you.